What is up, guys? Xodia here. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on Laser League, and it's going to be about Snipe. So one of my favorite strats to do with Snipe is you put your ball thingy on like one side of the map, you teleport to the wall, and then you just use it when the line is on somebody, and then you just right click. Or whatever the controller button is, I don't know. But that's the most basic one. That's the one I use the most and get the most opportunity out of. And yeah. So moving on to some of the more defensive or more supportive strats is using the one called, it's like guard or something on Snipe. And basically what you do with that, you just right click when the opponent's laser is coming right to you, and the guard gives you like a 1 second after use, like shield, for about a second, or 1.5, somewhere around that. But and then you can go through the laser and you can rev your teammates as seen in the clip. This is really useful, especially if you're in sticky situations, like you're just completely enclosed. You can also use it for getting out of two lasers coming at you. And yeah, it could be really useful sometimes. So the last strat on Snipe that I found very useful is when your opponent's in like a sticky situation, as you can see here, and he just dies in the middle, and so the lasers are coming right at you. You can just set a point right in front of the laser, and once the laser passes by, you can teleport back to it and revive your teammate really quick. Well, that is just about it for this video, guys. I really hope this is going to help you be a better Snipe player in Laser League, and I hope you guys have a beautiful and wonderful and fantastic day. Goodbye.